Hey guys, what it do, baby, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. So as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing a Fil A mukbang, but I'll be answering you guys these questions. I asked questions on Insta, Facebook, and WhatsApp, in my WhatsApp group. I didn't put it on my status, but yeah. So if you see me looking on this side, that's because I have the questions over there on my laptop. So we're just gonna pull them up right now. Okay, so I got the questions right now. Let me show you guys, before we get into this video, let me show you guys what I got. So they gave me tissue. This is the Chick-fil-A sauce. You guys, I love this sauce. I like it a lot. Chewing. I got some strawberry and passion fruit drink. Never had it, and I was like, you know what? Let me just taste it. Let me try it out. And in my order, your girl got 2 large fries because the fries are really good. They're really good, like no cap. Their fries are good. And then I got a deluxe sandwich with cheddar in it because honestly, guys, last time I got the chicken sandwich, not the spicy one, the normal chicken one, all it had was pickles and probably some mayo, whatever sauce, pickles and whatever they had. But this one, it has pickles, tomato, lettuce, the chicken, and melted cheese. Ooh. So before I begin, let me just take a bite. It actually is nice. Yep. So I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce on it because I like to do gomez. Just slap that back on here. Ooh. Y'all, this is messy. I'm gonna fry it profusely because look at the fries. It's called a waffle fry. Let's stop. So the first question is, what's the last thing you'd do if you were to die today? The last thing I would do if I were to die today? Pray. Let me tell you, I would pray like holy. That's what I would do. I would pray. But if you're talking about like activity or whatever, I guess travel to a number of countries within 24 hours. Yeah, I go to all the main spots in different countries, take pictures. I probably do that for 24 hours. That seems kind of late, if you ask me. Next question. What's your top inspirations for YouTube in general? Oh, who's? I would say Kelly Sweets, my number one go-to girl. Nowadays is Monique Carello. That's Disha Frost's mother. Well, and Domo Wilson. Like, that will not change. Domo Wilson, Kelly Sweets Bees, and Disha Frost's mother is my favorite mother on YouTube. That lady lit. Like, she's literally lit. Biggest turn on. Honestly, a guy that looks neat. Like, especially when it comes to his hair. He's neat with his hair. Yeah. He's the one. That's my biggest turn on. Next one. If you back it up, is it fat enough? Next one. If you had to change one thing about yourself, what would it be? Okay, this one I'm gonna start with you. So, honestly, I love everything about myself. Every single thing about me. Like, I just learned to love it. But there's just one thing, just one little thing that, like, you know, people say, oh, if you work out you could get it or whatever. But I feel like if you work out you wouldn't get the results that you want. Like, you will see a little something but you wouldn't get what you actually want, and that is my hip dimples. I want to get rid of that. Like, I want to get rid of that. I want to get rid of my hip dimples. That's what I want to do. Next one. Do you miss us, as in your family? Yes, every day, every single day I miss my family. Like, every day. What's a crazy trait you got? I would say, like, probably calling 100 times. Like, if the person mad at me and, like, I'm trying to get a hold of you and I want you to hear me out,
What we do here is go back.
I guess something like that. How's life been treating you? Well, life is treating me okay. It's just okay. That's what it is. It's just okay. Like, okay. It's hard. What's your favorite fast food restaurant in both Canada and St. Lucia? St. Lucia, my favorite fast food restaurant would be KFC. Like, the KFC there is bomb. Like, bomb.com. Like, up here I would probably say I want to say Chick-fil-A because I eat in Chick-fil-A, but honestly I don't have a favorite fast food restaurant up here. Like, if you ask me that, I would probably say I'd probably say, what do you want to know, McDonald's. But now it's like, I don't really fancy fast food up here that much because I usually cook. So, are you a fan of K-pop music? I don't know who is K-pop. Next. Are you single? I'm thinking, ask what? Nice. What was your most embarrassing moment ever? my most embarrassing moment ever was like during this time I had heels and there were people there and I was just walking like, cause I mean when I was walking, like, it wasn't that bad, like, you see, like I would trip, but guess what, guys, guess what, I didn't trip her. My legs were like I could just shake up a little bit, but yeah, that was my most embarrassing moment because people was watching me after like, racist. First of all, why is that heels? And secondly, why you missing falls? Like, what's the point of you missing falls? Who do you wish to collab with locally and internationally? Locally, I want to collab with Bud, Kimberly. I want to collab with Tisha X. I want to collab with Marisa. I would probably say like she international, like she over now, and like, you know, there are a lot of local YouTubers I really want to collab with, like a lot. But I really want to collab with Marisa. I feel like Marisa is like the top one, only because I feel like her vibe and my vibe is kind of the same. Like, we kind of have the same vibe. I don't know if she sees that way. I don't know if you guys see it that way, if you guys watch Marisa. But watching her videos, it's like, but yeah, I mess with her videos heavy. Internationally, honestly, I want to collab with Kelly Sweets. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know, but I want to collab with Kelly Sweets. That girl is bae. For the amount of times I say Kelly Sweets in that video, it's crazy. What are your biggest pet peeves? One of mine is when people walking slow in front of me and I'm in a hurry. Another one is like when people come and sit close to me, like, bro, there's space over there, why you coming by me? Like, I have a whole bunch, but for now that's what I can remember because it literally just happened a while ago. So who are your favorite 3 YouTubers from St. Lucia? Hold on. You know, like, the burger is different about my teeth. Recent Marisa, Kimmy Kim videos are actually lit. And I would say K Kimberly. I like her. I like the way, like, there's something about K Kimberly, like when she recording her videos and she make mistakes, like they have, like, she'll have some type of facial expressions given. I fuck with that. But yeah, but that's my top 3. But apart from that, there are YouTubers, solution YouTubers that I do like. Those just starting out. Well, they're not just starting out, but I would say like they just started their YouTube channel. They actually have a vibe for YouTube. Yep. But if you have to be top 10, I'll rank it 10. I didn't say 3. You guys in 3. Biggest challenges so far. The biggest challenge I have faced this far is starting my business. Like, a lot of people probably know what I want to do, and some people like, yeah, hear me saying I want to start a business, but the support is there, but sometimes it's not. But I mean, it's whatever. At the end of the day, I will do what I want to do because that's just me. When I want to do something, I do it, and nobody gonna tell me nobody gonna make shit, because that's it. And so I say that's the biggest challenge, because you have to do a lot of research, a lot of spending on money to put into it, and stuff like that. And also messaging, getting the vendors and all that, getting good vendors and all that drama. So I think that's my biggest challenge so far, but it's a work in progress right now. Like, it's getting there and whatnot, but yeah. So right now I'm eating on my belly box. You know why box? Because I have the waist straight on me. I cannot breathe. Hold on. Next question. When I come into Tenusha, when the corona thing is done and my bank account say,
"You're good to go, girl."
that's when I'm going to come to Tenusha. Favorite genre of music? I'll say dancehall. I like my dancehall music, but I also like my rap music, but I also love my gospel. So I love gospel, but I also like my soca. Oh my gosh, that's a tough question, eh? I have a favorite genre because let me tell you, all of them are my favorite. I love to listen to music, but you know what? I would say soca, dancehall, and gospel. I would say gospel, soca, and dancehall. I should do gospel first because God always tells me first. So yeah, that's what I would say. I have a lot of fries left here. Like, a lot of fries left. What's your biggest dream? I'm like tired. My biggest dream, honestly, like, I don't know in terms of what you're speaking about, but what I really want, and like, I just want to ensure that my mother and father good, like, in terms of getting them a house, getting them a car, giving myself a house, getting myself a car, basically I just live in life, like, yeah, I feel like that's my biggest dream, like, to just have a successful business, like, everything. I wouldn't say everything will be perfect, but like, you know, I just be successful and make my money. That's my biggest dream. That's my biggest dream. To be going good with YouTube, my businesses, your hoods, because it's not about what you have one. That's for the lames to have one. No way. Next one. Where do you see yourself in 10 years? Honestly, 10 years? What were we in? 2020, 2030? I'll be in my 40s. I'll be in my 40s. Oh my gosh. I'll be in my early 30s. Baby, I honestly see myself with my husband, my children. We both successful. We living in our house together. Like, that's what I see in it. That's what I'm seeing. That's it. Like everything, like you know, everything came together. We Gucci. We living life, traveling, and all of that. Yes. Next question. But I started eating already. Ready food. I know it looks like it's a little bit early, but I didn't eat like so. Gas and all that, so like we limit the amount I could eat. But trust me, that's not going nowhere. I put that in the oven or the fridge, and I want me to just not to it. What was it like transitioning from St. Lucia to Canada? Honestly, it wasn't no way, only because like I knew what was going on, and like I had a decent amount of age to understand what was going on. So I kind of like prepped my mind. I prepped my mind for that. Like okay, Rachel, you go into another country, you just have to like, you will not be seeing your family in whatsoever, like how long again or whatever. So I was basically just, you know, preparing my mind, like just, you know, going with the flow and stuff like that. So it didn't really affect me, I would say, because I still keep in touch with my close friends and my family and stuff like that. So like I could just stay one phone call away and stuff like that. So it wasn't really it didn't hit me bad. It was just okay. It was alright. Everything happens for a reason, and like me moving to Canada was honestly the best thing that could happen to me. Like the best thing that could happen to me. So guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Whew. Now I'm out of breath. Fast food is not good. Cook your food. Let me tell you. Cook your food. If you guys want more mukbangs, and like with the mukbangs you just want to watch me eat, let me know down in the comments. Because it's that talking and eating thing, there of anything. When I eat my food, I like to eat to finish. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. I don't know, questions you wanted me to answer. I'll probably answer them in the comment section. Comment what video you want to see next from me, and you want to sleep. Anyways, bye.